videos now in just 1 minute. First, we will remove the watermark and then enhance our video to 2K. Open your browser and enter 123 apps, then click on the first option. On the homepage of 123 apps, scroll down and find remove logo from video, then click open file to upload our watermarked videos we've downloaded from Hagen AI and Artflow AI. As you can see, it's a pretty straightforward process. Click on remove logo and click and drag your mouse simultaneously to draw a shape around the area where the watermark is. Click on apply and voila, our watermark is removed. C'est pas difficile. Now that our watermark is removed, click on save in the down left corner, adjust compression bar and drag it to highest quality, then click export. Our video is now downloaded with no watermark. Now I'm gonna fast forward the process for our next video, guys, and be informed that 123 apps gives users 5 free projects with any of the tool on their site per day. So if you want to create more projects, just create additional Google accounts to sign up with. Now